has a nice Italian restaurant in the front. Units being built behind, Grand Makua behind me. It's a beautiful little hotel. Hidden, not many people know about it. I'm doing this video at this particular time because I know most of the people have gone out, so I can get pretty good film shots of the hotel. And it's a hidden gem. You can get rooms here, you know, for like $60 a day depending on season. 100 meters from Double Six Beach. This is the reception area. So peaceful, so quiet, and the staff become like friends. They really do. There's Yenny hiding behind the counter there. She's a beautiful lady. Inside the restaurant. You guys? Yeah. What's the young one's name again? Eka. Here's Eka, the big boss. And if you don't listen to her, I have two arms. I didn't, and now I only have one.
Yeah.
Because I didn't listen to her. But beautiful, yeah. Beautiful lady. So. This the good cook, the beautiful chef. This one I'm going to marry because she cooks good. These are the grounds. Just a small 22-room hotel. Most of the people have gone out. It's only just after 9 o'clock in the morning. You don't get any noise here. It's so peaceful. About a 3-story development. They come with family rooms as well for around $100 a day. Just, you know, negotiate. I have a pool room. A very good price. Just enter the room. Sorry about the mess, but you know. Single guy, you can't expect much more. But this is the room itself. It's nice, it's quite sizable. In the corner over there we have table, chairs and everything. It's a very good sized TV for what you pay, I'm telling you now. Fridge, everything. Safe is up at reception, which is I think a lot better. So I've got the old guy in the background, but you know, nice clean shower, big shower. Nice vanity and everything, mirror. Another cup behind the wall. And I'm telling you now, I'm stayed at this hotel for 5 weeks. And if I stayed at the hotel across the road, I would have only been able to stay there for 1 week. That'll give you an idea of the cost difference. And as I said, all this for a fraction of the cost of staying across the road. people, staff who become your friends and will help you with anything you want to do. Highly recommend Sari Bunga Hotel. When you're looking to come to Bali, please give it a look. You won't be sorry.